Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Civil Engineering Trainer. Today we are starting the lesson of Autodesk Civil 3D. So in this lesson we will discuss create surface from Notepad file. Last time we will discuss CSV file, and in this lesson we will discuss Notepad file. So first topic is create surface by importing point from Notepad file. So there is a little bit different method, so I also want to tell you this thing. So you can also see here one alignment, we make surface on this alignment. Here some extra portion you can also see here. There is no any point when we insert point, then there is extra some portion coming here. So how can we remove this portion, we can also learn in this lesson. So I hope this second method of making a contour and making surface is also will be very helpful for you. So if you are new, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest update. So let's start. So you can see the welcome screen of our computer. So first of all we need to make one new alignment. So for that we select here open file, and you can see one alignment here. So this is the point basically we inserted last time in lecture create point file with the help of Notepad file. Okay, so this point we created with the help of one alignment, and you can see here we adjust all its label in our lecture. So if you need this lecture, then you can see also description below, so you can easily find this lecture. So here we make one surface with the help of a Notepad file. Okay, so first of all we make some new surface here. So select surface, create surface. After that we'll select here Notepad surface. Okay, Notepad surface. After that description, after that style you can see here we select here 1 meter and 5 meter design. Okay, then okay. After that we insert a point in this surface, so you can select here tool space. After that prospector, select prospector, then surface, click surface, Notepad surface. Okay, click here, definition same method. After that point group, select here and add point group. Here all point, this all point. Okay, so you can see here there is one surface created. So first of all we need to off this one, its label. Okay, so first of all point group property, and just you need to make none. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see here our all label is off. You can see that portion where point is available, here is surface, but here this portion there is no point, a surface came here. So first of all we also need to remove this surface, but we also need to a little bit adjustment of surface. So that select here and edit surface style. After that border contour, just decrease the size of here 0.25. After you can see here our details surface is available here. Next is contour smoothing. Okay, you can see here true. After that increase from here, so that all type of surface corner will be rounded. Okay, so you can see here. So now we want to remove this portion because we need only this portion NGL, this portion surface. Okay, this is not exact surface, this surface is created with the help of some other these areas. Okay, this is not correct. We only need this portion because this portion have some specific data NGL. Okay, so I want to remove this one. So first of all we click here and check from here edit surface. So you can see here delete line. When I select delete line, some option available here. You must have triangles display for this operation. Edit the surface style and try again. Okay, it's mean say you must need here triangle. So for that we need to go click here style, edit surface style, and after we will go in display. Then you can see here triangles. So first of all we on this triangle, apply, then okay. So you can see here all triangle is available here. You can see all triangle on. So now we try to remove this area. So we click again here. After that, edit surface. Okay, delete line, then select the area which you want to remove. Select here and just enter with space. Okay, enter. So this area we also want to remove. This area also. This extra surface. This is not correct. Okay, this area also you can see. If any type of this area, extra area, can you just on its triangles. After that you can easily remove this one. So our all thing is okay. So we again of this triangle is looking very awkward. So click here and right click, edit surface style, just off from here. Okay, after that major contour. Okay, this color we give yellow color, and this one we give him red color. Okay, after the elevation we also want to on apply, then okay. So you can see all these things. Again we just make its a label. For that we click here and we apply another method. So we select now contour multiple at interval. Okay, last time we use this one, now we use contour multiple at interval. Okay, we select here and next click here. We just select here, click, then interval along contour 100, we say here 50, we need 50. So you can see every 50 feet distance contour line automatically show here. You also need to increase from here 1 by 750, you can see here. So we again click here and click contour multiple at interval. We select here now. This is very fast method from previous. Okay, but system may be a little bit hang. So click here and again click this portion, and here also say 50, we say yes. Okay, so you can see all data is ready. We also want to use this one, so select here and select here 50, yes. So there is also contour line here. If you decrease its size, you can easily clearly see this one. So see all these contour lines. If you want to add more things, so you just need to click here and you also use this one method, contour multiple. So use this area, this one. Any area where not contour, you can easily use this one. Click here and you can see this area is remaining. This is also another method of making surface, and if you have extra portion, then you just on its triangle, after that remove. Okay, click here, after that you can easily go this portion and delete. Okay, extra area, but before this one you must on its triangle. And I also want to tell you some other option, like click here, right click, edit surface style. Okay, so if you want to check direction of flow, so you just open this one, click here, and you can also see here this one. See, if you want to see arrow, click here and click, so you can see all type of arrow, direction of flow of up and down level, you can also see here. So normally this type of function is not used, but if any person or anytime you can use, so you just on this one and check. Okay, so this method is also a little bit interesting because we learn new things in this one, and also new method of making contour label. Okay, from here you can also use this one. Okay, so inshallah next method we'll use another method of making contour with the help of contour line, because these all contour is make with the help of points. Okay, next method we will use how can we make surface with the help of contour line. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lecture series. If you have any questions, so please comment in the comments box. Inshallah, I try my best to give you some suitable answer. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.